That we're seeing in the Russia-Ukraine war. Zelensky has slammed Russia ahead of the talks with drone strikes hitting Kharkiv, energy site. Russia attacks and then talks. This is what the Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky has said. He had previously also mentioned that he will travel to Turkey and is waiting to have face-to-face talks with the Russian President Vladimir Putin. There is a lot of pressure from the world, from the United States and the European leaders as well, to find a settlement to end this war. But in the latest enjoy, ahead of these scheduled talks, Zelensky saying that Russia attacks and then says that it wants to talk.
Yes, this is posturing. At the end of the day, what is happening or will happen in Turkey is what Narendra Modi told Russian President Vladimir Putin, that the 21st century is not a time for war. And that is what the Indian Prime Minister had said a while ago. Now, there's been enormous suffering because of this war, which has lasted 3.5 years. Thousands and thousands of people have died in the fighting. There's been enormous damage. The world has suffered because the prices of fuel, of food, of fertilizer have all gone up. So if there is a settlement in Turkey, then this is going to be a huge bonus for the world, because Russia has suffered, Ukraine has suffered, and Ukraine, being a smaller country, actually has faced the attacks quite bravely. And initially people thought the war would be over in 4 or 5 days. It's lasted nearly 4 years. But it is time for peace. As Prime Minister had said, the 21st century is not a time for war. And let's hope there is a positive development. Okay. Let's hope these talks lead to something. And even if it doesn't lead to something, let's hope it leads to more talks.
Okay, all right. Shinjay, thank you for joining us with those details. A lot actually hinges on these talks that could take place between Zelensky and Putin. There is a lot of pressure coming in from the world. But is there going to be an agreement or not is going to be interesting to see. With that, we're slipping into a very quick break here. We'll be right back. Do stay with us.